In this video, we will cover application, multiple devices, cutting devices, and removal for the Zip 16 and Zip 8i surgical skin closure. Federal law restricts this device to sale by or on the order of a physician. Users must read and understand the device instructions for use prior to using the device. When prepping the patient, clip excess hair around the intended incision site where the zip device will be placed. The device must contact clean, dry skin, free of exudate, skin oils, or hair for adequate adhesion. For midline incisions on the knee, apply the device with the knee at 45 degrees of flexion. The zip is contraindicated for high tension wounds and does not eliminate the need for subcutaneous, tension relieving sutures. The gap between incision edges must be 5 mm or smaller before the zip is applied to the skin. If an incise barrier is used, remove it from the skin at least 3 cm from each side of the incision. To achieve adequate adhesion, the skin must be clean and dry at least 3 cm from each side of the incision. Do not place the device on moist or wet skin. The device has 2 release liners marked with the numbers 1 and 2. Remove the liner marked with the number 1 to expose adhesive on the end of the device. Align the device on the end of the incision. The first strap should be at or beyond the end of the incision. Press the end of the device firmly to ensure good adhesion. Lift the loose end of the device and carefully pull the tab marked with the number 2 a few centimeters along the incision. Carefully center the device on the incision and press to the skin. Remove a small amount of the number 2 liner at a time as you advance along the incision. Press the device to the skin to ensure good adhesion. Devices can be combined for longer incisions. Place the second device on top of the end of the first device. The overlap should be approximately 3 to 4 mm. Apply the second device in the same manner as with the first device. Cut the device between straps. The last strap should be at or just beyond the end of the incision. Press the device to the skin to ensure good adhesion. Tighten each strap by placing the thumb and forefinger on the sides of the device over a strap and pinching the incision closed. Pull the loop to tighten the strap. Straps may be disengaged by sliding the strap laterally in the lock until it disengages. To engage, slide the strap in the opposite direction until it engages in the lock. Hold the lock in place with a finger while pushing the strap on either side of the lock. Trim the straps as short as possible to avoid interference with dressings or clothing. Trim each strap by lifting the strap away from the skin and cutting as close to the lock as possible. When applying a dressing, it is important to ensure that any adhesive or tape from the dressing does not contact any portion of the zip device to avoid damaging the zip when removing the dressing. To remove the device, begin by gently lifting a corner of the device. Always peel the device in the direction of the incision to minimize stress on the surgical site. Never peel the device away from or perpendicular to the incision direction. Hold the skin down next to the device as you gently peel the device in the direction of the incision. Avoid tenting the skin or pulling the skin up as you remove the device. For fragile skin at risk of skin stripping, an adhesive removal agent may be used. In this case, a mineral oil-based adhesive remover should be used. Avoid using alcohol or acetone to minimize skin irritation. Apply adhesive remover to a sponge, cotton ball, or swab. Gently lift the corner of the device while applying the adhesive remover. Continuously apply the adhesive remover where the device is attached to the skin as the device is gently peeled along the incision. Adhesive residue may be removed by gently wiping with adhesive remover or with soap and water. The recommended wear time is 7 to 14 days, depending on incision location. Patients may shower with the device, avoiding direct stream of water on the device. Patients should not immerse the device in a tub or pool. And finally, at the surgeon's discretion, a patient may remove the device at home.